Good afternoon to my prospected employer. I am Mercy Bukado Ayuban, 3 kids, 24 years old and 25 years old, 2 boys and 1 girl, 6 years old. I had been experienced in Singapore for 12 years, 8 years for one family in Chinese, two kids. When I was look after them, 7 and 8 years old, until they're grown up, and another 2 years, 2 years. Australian family. They have two twin boy, 1 year and 8 months, and one boy, 6 years old, and been finished contract, and another 2 years. Spanish and German family, and they have 3 kids, and 6 years old and 8 years old and 10 years old boy. So just hope, I hope don't hesitate me to contact me anytime. Message me, and I'm Mercy here. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Thank you.